Hello everyone, my name is Stef. In today's video we're going to talk about the MACD. What's the MACD? How to add the MACD? How to use the MACD? And some advanced techniques of using the MACD. So the MACD is two lines and also a histogram, and it plots them in, let's add it first. So to add it, you just go to indicators and type MACD. We're using Hypertrader software because I like it and it's really nice for trading. And if you want to see the benefits of using, just type what's the benefits of using the Hypertrader software. So we have two lines and a histogram. The histogram represents the difference between the MACD and the signal line. And the MACD is basically two EMAs, but the 26th and the 12th, but subtracting the 26th and the 12th, and you have the MACD. And the signal line, the orange, is basically EMA of MACD, of 9 EMA MACD. And that's how the MACD is made. So how we use the MACD? To use the MACD, we have two things: the crossover, which is like to buy when every time the MACD crosses above the signal line and the signal line crosses above zero. Those are the basic things, and the advanced is to use basically trend following strategy. Just add a 200 EMA and basically you buy every time the MACD crosses above the signal line, and you sell when the price is above the price is below the EMA and crosses below the signal. So basically that's how the MACD is used. The advanced techniques are to use for divergences. You have two divergences, regular and hidden divergences. So as you can see, we have the MACD showing us that there is like changing of trend. Why? Because we have lower lows and the trend is showing us higher lows. Also, you can see this is called a regular divergence. So we have regular divergence, and this is a potential buy signal. Also, we can use it for hidden divergences. So let's see if we find hidden divergence. So here is our first hidden divergence. We have higher low, higher than previous low, but the indicator is lower low, and that's a very powerful strategy. And you can see you have this beautiful trend following strategy. And that's how I use basically the MACD. I use it basically for the divergence, and then the trend is, it's a trend following strategy and is highly profitable. So if you have any questions, please ask them, and just join Discord of Hypertrader and mine. Links are below. See you soon.